Okay, so we're back. Got another trade. I did just try and record another one, but we never got tapped in. But our analysis was correct. We never quite got tapped into trade, and then it ran on to hit like a 1-3 which would have been a really nice move, obviously. But I'm not mad. I'm more happy with the fact that my analysis was correct there. We're on the next day now, so I've still got this as bearish for reasons I'll explain, because I did in the last video, but then never made the cut. Obviously had this leg down, created equal lows down here, give or take, and then rallied up, swept out this high, broke down, price traded back up into this order block here, expecting price to now push down, and then further to that, we swept the previous day high out. So for me, swept that previous day high out, looking for price to break down now. On the hourly, we've had this leg, this range here, where we, on the 15-minute, you see, had a change in state delivery here, closed beneath these lows, traded back up into this order block, this fair value gap, and into a premium. I'm expecting price to go down off the back of this. But entering right off the 1 minute, quite a nice move in the 1 minute. Obviously had this high that brought up there, so we're marking out this point here. Again, we might not get tapped into this, I'm not in it yet, but I'm expecting price to trade up into this area. You know, that's a premium, that's a order block, that's a fair value gap. The confidence is good, maybe push a little bit higher into the 61% level, and then this order block here, but we'll see. That's really it. 5 minute obviously doesn't look particularly promising in the respect that, put that there, in the respect that we've hit this fair value gap in a discount, could potentially see price come back up, but on the 15 minute I think we look good. There's plenty of draws and liquidity here. For me, I'll be taking a partial if we make it to this low here, and then another partial here. Potentially look to extend the trade, because I do think price trade all the way down into here, but I mean, that's just it's just a ridiculous trade that, otherwise it's 1-4, which I'm just not going to do. So I'm not going to be greedy and try and maximize things like that, but I don't see why price would push above this high again. Could potentially retrace into something, maybe, you know, take out this high here, but this shouldn't get taken out now, I wouldn't think, given the fact that filled this fair value gap, traded up into the wick of this order block here, tapped into that, broke down. So let's see if we can get in or not. Right, so we're in now. So let it play out actually. Oh shit, bad. Initially nice reaction, but we've pushed through that fair value gap, so I'm not too sure. Where did I want my partial to be? Wait a second. This low here. Right, okay, that's fine. I can keep an eye on that. Equal lows there. I mean, if we can actually wick through that. Okay, right. Can I partially close, or do I have to? Oh, maybe I can't now. I think it's the wrong order. 1.34988. If I just put 50% to, oh, I actually don't. I've never done this before. I've only ever set partials before. Edit position. I might have to crop this bit out. .34988 989. Oh wait, because I'm going up, I'm an idiot. 50% partial there. If we can actually take that, that is, but we'll see. I'll take 60% and put that down to 40. Okay, bear with me, we're learning. Okay, that should hopefully, okay, we hit full take profit anyway. Oh, that was for nothing, but good trade. I mean, what else? Because I mean, price could trade down. I mean, that's ridiculous. I don't know what's caused that, but we were correct. Our analysis was good there. And that's a 1-3, but I mean, anyway, I'm not getting caught up in this. That's a 1-6.8 or 6.5, which I wouldn't normally be targeting. So that's a really good trade. Obviously, I think that was good analysis there. Trade up to fair value gap. And we even trade up into this, or look here, these last up close candles here, the body of that before price broke down. So obviously really good there. Nice price action, nice time of the day, and then broke down. Did we create fair value from there? Yeah, we did. Which we filled. 1 minute entry, tight. Obviously went a little bit to drawdown when we entered, but as I kind of anticipated that. As I said, traded into that 61% level, and then since that point, intermediate term high, I suppose, with the high on either side, filled a fair value gap, and then held out for the rest of the trade. So good trade. I'm trying to work out why this one and other ones don't, but I think I'm not forcing things, and I'm being patient, and I'm also not bothered. I just don't care, and I think that's probably something that really does help in this case. So yeah, promising stuff. Any thoughts? Let me know. Otherwise, I will catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.